Yeah. So we met up Jay Leno here.
This is your one in a million.
Which one? This one?
Probably.
Thanks.
Come out okay?
Look, this one has a K5 blazer top. Yeah. Look, see? Yeah, yeah. Oh, look at that one. That's like the McLaren.
Take some pictures.
Yeah, might as well. You got your camera. Go over there.
Wow.
That's nice.
Got a picture.
Is it over?
Yeah.
2 minutes is
Wow, look at that. It's freaking Batmobile.
Where are you telling?
Right there. Assalamualaikum. We're at this Topanga Canyon Park, or they happen to have this like a car meetup of some sort. So there's a Lamborghini here. There are a bunch of other old cars over there, and you can see there's a yellow one all the way there, and lots of cars here. I mean, about 10 or 15 good-looking cars, expensive cars. So let's have a look at some of these. Yeah. So we met up Jay Leno here.
This is your one in a million.
Which one? This one?
Probably.
Thanks.
Come out okay?
That's probably his car right there. You probably
So
pulled up with that one.
that's Jay Leno right there.
I don't. No, this one never had them. They just pulled them, and that was it raw. They didn't refinish them.